Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to get the chef hat, the rat hat, in Animal Company. So, what you're gonna wanna do is get your little bag, get this, put green blackberry, mega broccoli, baked beans, and burrito. Then you're gonna wanna, I'm gonna eat a bean for myself. Then get the cheese over here. Then you're gonna want to go to sewers. I gotta get a light. I'm just gonna get this light. Okay, you're gonna want to look for a wide and blue mushroom. Not that. It has to be blue. Stupid. Get out! Okay, I gotta see if it spawns later, maybe. So, I'm just gonna show you guys where to put it. Maybe when I come back, it'll spawn. Who knows? My viewers tweaking. There's a handball field over there. Oh. We need the blue broccoli like this. And if you eat the red... Okay. If you eat the red broccoli, then it makes you big one time. I was not expecting that guy to be in there. Mr. Beast, what is he doing? Dude, do y'all remember when iShowSpeed got donated $2.99 from Mr. Beast Super Chat? And iShowSpeed was like, Mr. Beast, And Mr. Beast literally typed big black monkey boy. And, dude, that's diabolical. Alright. Give this another shot. Are we serious? Bro. I see it. Holy moly. Wait. Okay. Hold on, I gotta see the timestamp. Okay, good. 6 minutes. Okay. Now that we're in the Canopy Diner, Mr. Beast, Ryan Gosling, bro. This is Ryan Gosling. Parker VR. So okay, guys, last one. This is a rat hat. Alright, guys. That's gonna be today's video. Bye-bye.